Hello, and welcome to another adventure. In this video, we are going to go see Rockland Furnace and Freedom Falls, although I think Freedom Falls is first, and then make our way to Rockland Furnace. Rockland Furnace has actually been on my agenda for a couple of years. It's a beautiful, beautiful furnace. And we are joined with the Explorers. I will leave a link to her channel in the description below. And there's a nice trail. There is a nice parking spot right up there. But it's only good for a couple cars. So if you want to get to this spot, I suggest get here early. I wasn't paying attention. Alright, so you can actually hear the falls in the distance. Wow, look at this area though. It's absolutely beautiful.
Well, one way is the falls, the other way is the furnace. Pick your poison.
We're going to do the falls. I think they're right down here, and then we're going to make our way to the furnace. There should be like a trail along the stream, right?
What they say. Where?
Wow.
Whoa.
So I do believe that is Freedom Falls right down there. So I'm going to go this way.
One side is not like a slide, and the other side is a drop. So they work their way down here.
Oh wow. They're nicer than I thought.
Oh yeah. I'm going to do that little corner too.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. I can sit here for a while. But there are a bit of mosquitoes buzzing around my head right now. All right. Good eyes, Chris.
I'm looking, it's like, what am I seeing?
So we are going to make our way down. The falls are right here. And the furnace is right over there. Right over there.
Yeah, I did. It's down like 100 yards. It's not 100 yards.
There's the falls. Absolutely stunning. Wow. I am really enjoying these falls. Danny is too. He's in his element right now. Alright, so while Danny is probably going to hang back at those falls there, going to make my way to the furnace, hopefully without falling. Just if you ever do decide to come here, note, it is very, very rocky. Well, we are in a valley. It is a rocky valley. Just make sure you wear good footing, not flip-flops, and just go slow. And there she is. I do see it. Oh my God. There she is. Wow. So there's the name is slipping me at the moment. I know what that's called. But water would come through here. Something run.
Just about shoulder height for me.
Chris is in there now. Looks like there was two of them at one time.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what Chris was just in. And Danny is making his way. Ah, look at that beauty. So this furnace was actually built in 1832. And remained in operation for roughly 20 years. This was an iron furnace. And actually, we are pretty deep in the woods. Look at that hue. Oh my goodness.
That would be a great picture.
I just took a great picture.
The other one this side.
You can see up it?
This part, no, this part only breaks through to the main court. But over there, you can see up the main court.
Okay. Alright.
Also, looking ahead is a great picture too.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Look at this beauty. And the thing is, it's like so quiet around here. Let's see what we can show you. There we go. Thank you all so much for coming along. See y'all later. Bye.